In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust a specific setting within Microsoft Edge. This setting involves the hover menu that appears when you place your mouse over an image, and tweaking it can enhance your browsing experience. To start off, the very first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Edge. If you're already familiar with how to do this, fantastic. Go ahead and launch the application just as you normally would. Once you have Edge open, your next move is to direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. There, you'll see three dots stacked one on top of the other. This is more commonly known as the ellipsis. Give that a click to open up a menu with a set of options that will allow you to customize your browsing experience. From this drop-down menu, what we're particularly interested in is the Settings option. Click on that, and it will open a new page dedicated to various settings you can configure. On this page, you will see a list running along the left-hand side of the screen. As you glance over these options, look for the word Appearance. This is where we're headed next. By selecting Appearance, you reach a section specifically designed for all settings related to how your browser looks and feels, from themes to toolbars, and more. Now, this leads us to the area titled Browser Behavior and Features. It's nestled within the appearance settings, and finding it will give you access to more nuanced controls over the behavior of your Edge browser, including the feature we want to adjust today. Once you've located Browser Behavior and Features, click on it, and you'll be presented with more options. Within this section, there's a setting labeled Show Hover Menu on Image Hover. This is the feature at the core of our task today. On the right side of this label, you will notice a toggle button. If it's already turned on, you'll see the icon is colored or facing a particular direction. If it's off, the icon might be grayed out or facing the opposite way. To make your adjustment, simply click on this toggle button. If it was off, it'll turn on, and vice versa. By doing this, you either activate or deactivate the hover menu feature on images, depending on your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Microsoft Edge's settings to adjust how images behave when you hover over them. This small change can make a significant difference in how you interact with images while browsing, either by streamlining your navigation or by enhancing accessibility based on your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing as you explore